Good morning, welcome to the kitchen. As you can see, it needs some attention. So during COVID, I have moved into this space temporarily. The first thing I noticed were the cabinets. It certainly needs some work to do, so I finally got around to it. So yesterday I went to buy some paints, some cabinet knobs, and then I also took out all of the kitchen stuffs yesterday out and put them in the living room, the kitchen area, and then I also cleaned all of the cabinets, let it dry, so that way I am ready to paint today. Since I'm here short term, I'm not going to take off the cabinets individually and paint them and then put it back on. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my brush, paint it carefully, and just hope there's not going to be drips or messes. And the color I'm using is light blue. The reason why I'm choosing the blue is because of the backsplash, so I was trying to keep it cohesive. I hope it's going to turn out well. As a disclaimer, I have never installed cabinet knobs before. I'm hoping I'm not going to mess up because that would not be fun, but I gotta try it. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to tape the corners so that way I can start painting. So let's go.
I wanna jump around when I think about yesterday. Your smile, your style so fly, my oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss, and so I did. Now
this is the color, more of a pastel blue. And this is called Dayflower Satin Finish. Looking good. The color stays in really well. It is true to color. I'm letting it dry now. I am so curious how this will turn out. Fingers crossed it is going to turn out well. Good morning. It is the next day. I finished the second coat. It is completely dried. Today I'm going to put the knobs in, so I'm really hoping it is going to turn out well with no mistakes, but we will see. Let me show you the knobs that I bought. this is the one that I got. I decided to get this one because the counter is black, so this will go well together. I got this one here, the alignment, to help with the drilling. So let's get started. This is so perfect. Look at that. Perfect hole. Here is the finished product. 2 coats of the light blue. I got everything from Home Depot, and here are the knobs. The knobs look so nice together here. I was actually really worried with the possibility of me not be able to install the knobs because I do not have big muscle. So it was a little hard work, and I'm glad it is now all done. I'm so happy with the result here. The color turned out really nice.